So welcome back. We have seen the core features of Unity Catalog in the previous session. Now let's look at one of the most important Unity Catalog concepts like managed table versus external table. It's all about the ways of storing data in Unity Catalog. I think this is a very important topic for everybody, including a data engineer or architect or governance professional. So doesn't matter, it is equally important for everybody to understand how you store your data in Databricks. So when working with Unity Catalog, there are two ways of storing data. One, you can either use a managed table or an external table. Okay, what is the difference? The key difference comes down to who manages the storage lifecycle. Who manages the storage lifecycle? So let's focus on the managed table first. Then we will go to the external table. So as you see here, a managed table, Databricks manages both the metadata and storage lifecycle. Okay, so that means the Databricks is responsible for metadata management, storage lifecycle, file management, optimization, backup and recovery, and any type of deletion when required. So when you create a managed table, the Databricks automatically determine where the data should be stored and manages the storage on your behalf. So you simply create the table and focus on your analytics workload. Okay. So you may be familiar with creating the stable commands. Okay. If you don't know, no, we will be using create table, the sales schema, then the table name, then you will give the field name, and you know using the delta it becomes a managed table, right? So yeah, it is important to understand how you create table in Databricks. Okay, now we are not dealing so much about the coding part, but more we focus on the concept. Okay, so when you create a managed table, the Databricks automatically determine where the data should be stored. Okay, so you don't have a understanding about where your data will go and sit. Okay, then think of this way. Okay, Unity Catalog manages the metadata and Databricks manages the physical storage. Everything is handled for you. You don't need to worry about uh, the data management. So we can have a analogy. Okay, we can compare the managed table scenario with a hotel stay. Okay, so when you stay in a hotel, the hotel provides the room, the hotel handles housekeeping, the hotel manages maintenance. You simply use a room, right? And when you check out, what happens? The hotel takes care of cleanup. You are not supposed to clean up your hotel. Okay, right? So the managed table works in exactly the same way. Database provides, manages, and cleans up the storage automatically. So you receive simplicity and ease of management, right? That is all about the managed table. Now let us look at external table. So you, the customer, manages the storage, and Unity Catalog manages the governance. And now you understood, right? The difference. You, the customer, manages the storage. You will bring the storage. You bring Azure Cloud. You bring Google Cloud. You bring Amazon S3 bucket. Wherever you want store your data, it is you, the customer, will do with that. Okay. Okay. Let's understand that the data. See, now with external table, you manage the storage yourself. The data already exists in your cloud storage account. It account maybe somewhere like Amazon, Azure, Google. Okay, so Unity Catalog still manages the governance, security, permission, lineage, and auditing. However, the storage remains under your control. You are responsible for storage management, file lifecycle management, backup, access policies, data organization, and retention policy, data deletion, etc. So the advantage is that you maintain complete ownership and control over storage layer. Okay, I think this is very clear from this diagram. Okay, which you, if I want to compare with another analogy, how external table will look like. Okay, the external table is like renting your own apartment. What happens in that scenario? You own or rent apartment. You manage the maintenance, you organize the space, you decide when to keep or remove the items. The apartment belongs to you. Similarly, the storage belongs to your organization. Unity Catalog simply governs access to the data. Okay, so that's it. So that is the difference between the managed table and external table. Maybe you want to elaborate more about where the data exists in terms of managed table and external table. So whether you use managed table or external table, the actual data ultimately resides in cloud storage. The cloud storage either managed by Databricks or managed by you. Correct. The difference is only who manages that storage. For managed table, Databricks manages it. For external table, your organization or you manage it. Okay. Then the question may come. For example, you are going to attend an interview. Maybe the interviewer will ask, okay, when you should you use managed table? When should you use external table? Okay, you can say the managed tables are ideal when you want simplicity, you want Databricks to handle storage operations, you want less operational overhead, you are building new lakehouse workloads. For most modern Databricks implementation, managed tables are often the recommended approach. Again, this it is not stopping you there. Again, when should I use external table? External tables are useful when data already exists in your cloud storage. Multiple systems read the access to the same files. You have enterprise storage policies. You want full control over the storage lifecycle. Maybe regulatory or compliance requirements demand storage ownership. For example, right, sometime in Middle East, you can see the storage should be owned by your organization, right? So, what is the takeaway from this session is use managed table when you want Databricks to manage both the metadata and the storage lifecycle for simplicity and ease of administration. Use external table when you need full control over your cloud storage while still benefiting from Unity Catalog governance, security, lineage, and auditing capabilities. I hope things are very clear to you now. You can decide when you want to manage the table, when you want external table. Let me know if that helps you. Share your thoughts as comments. So we will collaborate. And thank you. Thank you for watching.